Hey guys, so today is Sunday, March, God knows what. I'll leave it down. I'm out for another day of hiking. I brought two hikers with me this time, and we are at Serena Glades Preserve. Don't really expect to be here too long. I did look this place up to see how long the trail was, and it said that it was about 0.5 miles, so that's fairly short. I didn't come in my own car, so I don't have my bag with me, but being that it's a short trail, I don't feel like I really need it. So I'm gonna take you guys on a tour just to see this. When I first came in, I thought that I was in the wrong spot because I saw a tot lot and a different name on the sign, but the actual Serena sign is just a little bit behind the tot lot. I've got my white shirt on, my blue jeans. It was pretty hot out here, so I really didn't want to have pants on. And can't bend my knee. And my dirty sneakers. All right, it's really hot out here. We're gonna get started. All right, let's go. Well, so far I see that it says welcome to Story Walk at Serena Glades Preserve. So this is a really cool spot to bring your kid and do a whole storybook time while you're walking. So this is definitely kid friendly, and I like that. All right, so it looks like this is probably gonna go in a loop, and it's already letting you know this way to the story walk. Maybe I should turn this little corner and see if I can scare them since they're so far behind. Let me speed up. Let me hide. Where can I hide? I don't see any place to hide. Oh, I'll just stand right here. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna stand right here and wait for them to come around and scare them.
What's that fly around?
Ah! Okay, I guess this trick didn't work. All right. So let's see, one of our hikers has decided to bring his phone and just watch it. Yes. Now I wonder where this leads off to.
Ah! Someone's on me.
I think we've come to the very beginning. This was nothing more than, I'd say probably, I wouldn't even say 10 minutes. I said I wouldn't even say 10 minutes on this. This is more of a child-friendly nature walk. It took me no time to get around this, and it was a storybook to read. So if you have toddlers, this is the perfect place for them, or even younger children. All right, so I'm gonna leave this one. If you like this nature walk, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.